Now we will study about purine salvage deficiencies. Um, Cells require purines, adenine guanine to make DNA, RNA, and energy carriers like ATP, GTP. The body has two ways to get them. One is de novo synthesis, and another is salvage pathway. In de novo synthesis, the ring is built from scratch using amino acids and folate. This is energetically expensive, costs 6 high energy phosphate bonds. And second is purine salvage deficiencies. Recycling free purine bases released from normal cells turnover or diet. This is energetically cheap. Purine salvage deficiencies. Purine salvage deficiencies. The processes start from ribose 5-phosphate, and by help of PRPP synthetase, it is converted to IMP, then inosine, then hypoxanthine, then xanthine, then uric acid, then allantoin. The purine salvage deficiency process start in the ribose 5-phosphate. By help of PRPP synthetase, it is converted into IMP. Then IMP is converted to inosine. Then inosine is converted to hypoxanthine and xanthine. Hypoxanthine is converted to xanthine. Then xanthine is converted into uric acid. Uric acid is then released in body in like excreted in form of allantoin. This is excretion. Now in this process we will this deficiency, there are deficiencies of enzyme we will discuss about that cause some diseases like deficiency of HGPRT that causes Lesch-Nyhan Syndrome, and deficiency of Adenosine Deaminase ADA that causes severe Combined Immunodeficiency Syndrome or SCID. HGPRT deficiency of this enzyme causes Lesch-Nyhan Syndrome. This is very high yield. and deficiency of adenosine deaminase that causes SCID. One is HGPRT that causes Lesch-Nyhan Syndrome, and another is ADA deficiency that causes severe combined immunodeficiency syndrome. We will talk about now I will discuss about two drugs, that is allopurinol and febuxostat. One is allopurinol, the other one is febuxostat. They work by inhibiting the enzyme xanthine oxidase. They work by inhibiting the enzyme xanthine oxidase. Hypoxanthine and xanthine is converted to uric acid, and these enzyme and these drugs, allopurinol and febuxostat, these inhibit xanthine oxide. XO is xanthine oxide. And we will talk about other two drugs, that is cladribine and pentostatin, that inhibit adenosine deaminase. One is cladribine, and another is pentostatin. They inhibit ADA, and they are used in treatment of severe combined immunodeficiency or SCID. Now we will discuss about adenosine deaminase deficiency and Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. ADA is required for degradation of adenosine and deoxyadenosine. ADA is required for degradation of adenosine and deoxyadenosine. Decreased ADA causes increase in DATP. When ADA is decreased, it causes increase in DATP. It leads to decreased nucleotide. It leads to decreased ribonucleotide reductase activity. Decrease ribonucleotide activity and decrease DNA precursors in cells. And it leads to decrease in lymphocytes. It is major causes of autosomal recessive SCID. Decreased adenosine deaminase deficiency is leading cause of autosomal recessive SCID. Now we will talk about Lesch-Nyhan syndrome. So it is caused by deficiency of an enzyme. Its name is HGPRT. Lesch-Nyhan syndrome is caused by the deficiency of HGPRT. This is very important point. Defective purine salvage and mutated HGPRT leads to decreased GMP and decreased IMP. It leads to decrease in GMP and decrease in IMP. It is X-linked recessive. Lesch-Nyhan syndrome is X-linked recessive disorder. The findings in the patient present in this Lesch-Nyhan syndrome with intellectual disability, self-mutilation, aggression, hyperuricemia, red orange sand, sodium urate crystals in diaper. and gout, dystonia, and macrocytosis. It patient present with intellectual disability, self-mutilation, aggression, hyperuricemia, red orange, crystals in diapers, gout, and dystonia. So we will remember by a mnemonic. The Lesch-Nyhan syndrome is called by deficiency of enzyme that its name is HGPRT. HGPRT. H stands for hyperuricemia. G stands for gout. P stands for pissed off. Aggression and self-mutilation. And R stands for red orange crystals. And T stands for tense muscles. Dystonia. So treatment for Lesch-Nyhan syndrome is allopurinol and febuxostat.